Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Blackview Tab 16, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So the first rule you need to remember is to never fill up your internal storage over the 70%, 75% full. So open the storage and settings, and here you will see the stats, how much space you have used. And it's a very good idea not to fill your device over the 70% full if you have filled up. So you need to free up the space on your device, and you really need to do that. Then you need to open the About tablet in settings and find RAM in About tablet. And here you will see memory expansion feature, and you need to enable this feature and enable here 6 GB of expansion. In this way, your device will use the small part of the internal storage like a RAM, and it's a very good idea because it can boost performance of your device. Cool. And the last aspect, of course, is the cleaning up your RAM from time to time. You just need to open your recent apps from time to time and click Clear All. I suggest to do it twice a day, maybe, or once a day will be a good idea if you have expansion RAM. And in this way, you will always keep your device in good condition. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.